All right, let's get this old girl running. Just a little more tightening. All right, let's start with the vines. On it, this is gonna take a while. Just get the main ones for now. Let's get this rust bucket running again. Right, I'll grab the wrench. Good, this vine is tangled in the intake. Hand me the 10 millimeter. Here, how's the bushing? Worn out, I'll replace it. Okay, shutting the door. All right, bring it down slow, lowering now. Good, guide the front, aligned, set it down. This seat is filthy. Yeah, keep at it. All right, on 3, ready? Easy now. Make sure you get the pedals. Yeah, working on it. Good. I'll get the wheel. Almost done. How's the fender looking? Good, almost done here. Ready for the door? Yeah, moving up. Make sure that's aligned. Got it, tightening now. Check the wiring harness. First coat's on. Panel's looking good. Check the trunk alignment. On it, looks solid.